To my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to add hashtag to your YouTube videos. We'll add the hashtag to this video. You can see there's no hashtag. We'll add one. Just go to your YouTube channel and click on manage videos. And select a video what you want to add the hashtag. To add the hashtag, first you have to go to description and add the hashtag. To add hashtag, first you have add the hashtag sign and a tag. Another hashtag, you should put the space and type hash sign and add the tag. Then you should save these changes. Go to save button and click on it. Then it has saved. Let's see how this added to the video. Then you can see hashtag added. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.